Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So with this video, I want to introduce to you this online banking website. Actually has the feature most of you has been asking about, such as when a particular user has his own kind of currency. So this online banking website has that feature, coupled with the other features of online banking, such as the transfers, the local transfer, the wire transfer, and the international transfer. So this online banking is fully packed with a lot of cool features. So the part you're actually looking at right now is the home page. There's the user dashboard and it's also the admin dashboard where total control is done. You're looking at the home page right now. You can see how beautiful it is. All the content has been written, pictures have been provided. So you don't have to do those ones anymore. So the essence of this video is to teach you how to set up this kind of website and also show you how this website works. So I will take you through the mobile view now. So you can see, and then this is the mobile view. You can see how responsive it is. This is the mobile view of the website. This is the mobile view. It's mobile view now. So when I come to the registration page, so you can see that during the registration, users has the ability to pick the kind of currency they want to use or the kind of currency they operate. Look at it. It has different kind of currency here. You can see USD, you have the euros, you have the Japanese yen, the British pound, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the Swiss. You can see various kind of currency is there. So that's it for the registration. You also have the ability to upload your photo and also input your transaction pin. So right now I want to create an account because I already have an account. What I'll just do is I'll log into my own existing account. So this is my account now. I'll just log into my account. Okay, it's loading. Now this is my dashboard. So you're convinced that this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. So let me show you the mobile view. So you can see right now, this is the mobile view. See, this is the mobile view. This is the mobile view. So you're actually confused right now that this is actually beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, so I'll take you through each section of this dashboard now. First of all, let's go to account history. So you can see account history right now. You can see the recent transactions. So you can see right now. This is the you can see recent transaction. You can see it now. When I go to summary, you get to see the summary of your account. So you get to see the summary of your account. So you can see now. So let me take you through profile. Take it to profile. So what you actually see right now is the profile of this particular user that's logged in. You can see the status of the account is active. You can see right now this is the account number. You can see this is the account number of the user. This is the account number of the user. Because you can see all these statistics. You can change your password here. In case you want to change your password, you can get to change your password. You change your password. You can change your PIN. You can update photo too. I can see this now. You can change your name. Yeah. You see this now. You can edit your profile. So when you go to local transfer, so let me take you to the local transfer now to show you how it works. And I'll come to so you can from here transfer to beneficiary. So when you go to beneficiaries under here now, you can see add beneficiary and view beneficiary. So when I view beneficiary now, you can see this is the beneficiary right now. I can send money to this person and I can actually delete this beneficiary. But when you go to add beneficiary, you can add as many beneficiaries as you want. All you have to do is just put in the details here, put in the exact details of the person, then you click on save beneficiary. So let me go back to the local transfer now. I'll put in the name of the accounts I want to transfer to. I'll say Matthew William, account number, bank name is Union Credit. The bank name is let's say Starway Bank. Starway Bank. And then online banking. So the amount on transfer is 400 USD. I can say your fees, or let's say payments for flights tickets. So they just put it like that. Now I can click on what transfer. So you see that right now. So you can see that transfer is actually in progress right now. See that it's loading, transaction is processing. So now you click on what continue. So you get to enter this page where it's asking to input your OTP that has been set to your email. So this is my email. This is my email. Now I'll go to my email to what? I'll go to my email to get my OTP. So I'll go to my email now. So you can see right now, this is the mail I got. This is mail I got, and this is my OTP. So I'll copy now, go back to and paste and verify OTP. So you can see now, this is your transaction word receipt. I can choose to download this receipt now. As you can see now, I just downloaded the receipts. If I download the receipts now, it's asking me to view the receipts. So I'll just view with photos. It's not coming up here. So this is my transaction receipt. I can go back to home, click on home. When I go to, so check here now and see minus 400 USD payment of flight ticket. Transaction is currently what's processing. So the admin has the ability to change the status of this particular transaction. What I'll do now is I'll log into the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard now. I'll log into the admin dashboard. Now this is the admin dashboard. So I will come over again to show you the different and various sections of this admin dashboard. But what we are concerned right now is the transaction. So I'll go to transaction. You click on edit transfer. See edit transfer here. You click on edit transfer. So you see the transfer here. See the details of the transfer. So you see the details of the transfer here right now. So you can see now. So what I'll do is I'll click on edit, edit. You can see right now. You can see the details here. I have to come put the dates and time and everything. You can put transfer to be successful. So you can put the details here. So for dates, you can put 2024 or 2022. I can make it April 10. So for time, so so that's it. Now I will have to update transaction. You can see transaction was updated. Continue. So I'll go to the user side. I will reload. Now you can see now transaction was successful. You get now. So same thing goes for the international transfer. So let me test the international transfer now. You can see it now. I'll put in the account name again. I'll say Josh Rayford. account number, bank name, Union, Frontier, Savings, bank address, 34 Manhattan, close. Country, let's say the country is uh, let's just say country is Finland. So the currency will be in pounds, or you can see right now. You can see that the currency is changing for each of this country. You can see that. You can see when I choose French, you can see that now. So I'll select Finland, will be what euros. I'll put in this swift code, IBAN number, just put in now 200. Passports restriction. So I'll click transfer. So transaction is still processing again. Then I'll click on continue. Now it's asking me to input what task code. So what we have to do now is the admin will actually give us what task code. So you go back to the admin dashboard, you go to list of users. So user list, you can see that user list, go to user list. We have to edit the details of that particular user. So right now I will edit category because this is the user now. This is the user. So I'll come here, I'll click on edit. Now you scroll down, you can see now the code we actually insert for is what is the task code. So right here, I'll copy the task code now. So this is the same place you can input the task code. Then you save the details. So I'll copy task code here. I'll paste. I'll continue. I said I should enter what IMF code. I'll go to the admin again. I'll copy the IMF code. I'll paste and then I'll continue. Now I have to input my tag code, TAC code. So I'll come here, I'll copy the TAC code. I'll continue. As you can see right now, it's processing. I'll click on continue again. I have to input OTP to verify this transaction. So I'll go to my email. Go to my mail now. Oh, I forgot to show you the debit transaction I got when I made that first transfer. So this is debit transaction. So I'll put my mail now. So you can see right now that the transfer went through. Transfer went through right now, and I have my receipts. So I can go back to home now. You can see the transfer again is what processing. So I'll go back to the admin, go to edit transfer. Edit transfer. So you look for that particular word transfer that was done. So you can see right now, I have to look for the transfer that was done. So this is it. I'll click on edit and I'll make this one to be what failed. Make it failed, or I can make it what on hold. So make it on hold. I'll click on updates. So when I come and reload, you can see right now is what on hold. You can see that transaction is what on hold. So I'll come here now. I'll take you through deposits. To deposit now to deposit, I'll deposit 500 USD through wire transfer, PayPal, MoneyGram, or others. So I'll select PayPal, click on continue. As you can see, received. We'll get back to you soon. So you can come to your admin to actually get that. And then when I come to check deposits, so another feature of this online bank is that you can actually apply for a virtual card. So when I click on apply now, you see you have to apply for a virtual card. You can see right? And see that, see that. So come to the admin side, you can see virtual cards. So you can see now. From here, you can edit each virtual card here. You can font what each of those virtual words card from here. So let me edit now. You can see there. You can put the card number, this is CVV, and other details of the card. You can see that card status too. Then what you update. So that's actually um, the various features of this user side of the online banking. So you can see that these features are really cool and the interface is really nice. So I'll take you through the admin side right now to show you various sections of the admin side and how they work. So you come here, you can see the various number of users, the number of tickets, the transfer that have been made, your access IP and that. When you have to want to credit a customer, you can click on credit customer. So I can select the user which I want to credit because you can see I can select this user. As a sender name, you can see admin, you can put in account number, put in the bank name, select the date of the transaction time too, put in the bank address, let's just say California, California. Then the mark can will be let's say top up. So I can what credit user. So amount I can credit 5,000. Crediting right now, still loading. You can see account was funded. So you can see now when I come to the user side, you can see now the credits. You can see that top up. You can see it, right? So same thing goes for when you debit a user account, the account will be removed from the particular user. So if from the admin side you want to create an account for somebody, you just have to go to register user, you fill in the details, various details, and you click on what register to register an account for a user. And then when you click on add photo, you can upload photo for any user. So let me see. This user has a photo already. So I'll just come to here. So you select the user which you want to upload the photo for, and you click on what upload image. Click on what upload image. And when you come to user list, come to user list. You see the various list of users. So by the time you edit a particular user, you'll be able to edit the various details of that user only. So yeah, these are the details of the user right now. You can put in different account type. As you can see. So by the time when a user newly registers, you can make the account active, inactive, log dormant, or what transfer restricted here. You can see login verification. You can put for login verification. You have to say submit ID card, or you can what deactivate login here. So right now it's approved. That is one. So input it to be two. It's just you are asking the user to submit ID card, or you want to what deactivate login. You can make it what zero. Then you have to do what is update customer details. So I've talked about register credit user and debit user. So if you want to add transfer to a particular user account, you click on what add transfer. So you put in the customer email, you put in the bank details and every other details. Then you click on what save transaction. So when you go to edit transfer, I've showed you edit transfer. And when you come to billing codes, you set billing code for each particular what user. So you can see the details of this particular user which I logged in into. When you click on edit, you can see now you can set what billing code. You can see now various code. So you can set the various code. So you can see tag on, can turn on and off each of these what codes. I can put in a message which you want them to see. You can see that right now. So this is basically how the website works. But when you come to settings, you can put your what website settings or that, and you click on what save settings. So this is how the bank works. You can see the various operations, the various sections of this banking website. This is how it works. So what I'll show you now is how you can actually set up this kind of website for your clients. And then if you want to set up this kind of website for your clients, you need your domain name, you need your hosting, you need the scripts too. So if you want to lay hands on scripts, you have to contact me through my contact details is on this video description. So what I'll do now is I'll show you how to set up this kind of website for your clients. So to get the script to work, all you have to do is get your cPanel details ready. So right now I've logged into my cPanel and I'll go to File Manager. From File Manager, and I'll go to public underscore HTML. So right now I will create a new folder because I don't want to upload it in that public underscore HTML. Skylark. So I'll enter into that folder which I just created and click on upload. I'll upload this particular zip file. This zip file, I will upload it. So currently right now is uploading. Now that showed green, it means that it has been uploaded. Come back to File Manager, I will reload, extract the files. So right now I will reload again. I'll move the files now. So before you move the files, make sure that you can see this htaccess file and you can see this installation guide or test. So but if you can't see them, just come to this and click on tick show hidden files, then click on save. Click on save. So right now I will have to move. I'll select all to move. So edit this installation guide or test, view it. So you can read through to get the details on how to install the script. So first of all, you can see this now. It said what how to what upload scripts. So you can go to download and extract zip file. We have done that. Create a new database and import SQL file. So what I'll do is I'll create a database. I'll go to database wizard. While that is loading, I'll go to the next one. It said edit the account folder, df folder, and db.php.connect. So dbconnect.php, you can see account folder, df folder, and then dbconnect. You can see dbconnect.php. So you can get to what save your can get to change these details here. So right now I will just my can say Skylark DB. So next step, and then my password. I'll just use this password here. Use the password here. So I can just make here the same thing as Skylark DB. So I don't have to really change details. So you can see this is what the username. So this date now, these details, copy it, and I'll paste it here, and I'll tick out all privileges, and I'll make changes. Then I'll search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin, and I'll select the database which I created, and to get my SQL file, I'll come to SQL folder. This is it. I'll download database.sql, and I'll import it. So currently is importing. So you can see right now import was successful. You can see the details now. So right now what we have to do is to set our database. So come to the first one here, which is this one here. This file is currently opened. I will copy my database now. Copy my database. So since my database and my database user is the same thing, I'll just paste here, paste here. I know this is the password, so I'll paste here, paste here. For me now, I'll copy my site link. My site link would be copy my site link. This okay. So you can leave the details, or can change it later. You put your own details here. So nothing else here again. So I'll save this. Now I'll go to the next one. It said edit account folder, backend folder, and connect db.php. So I'll go to account folder, backend folder. What's the next one? Connect db.php. So look at it. Connect db.php. Connect db.php now. So my copy my database and my username here now. So now it's the same. Paste. So you still come here and put your site details, your website details. So you can see that now. So what I'll do next is to save. The next one is to go to account folder db.php, account folder db.php. So I'll copy my database details. So come here to look at it here. So I'll put in my site details again here. Same thing here again. So then I'll save. So the next one is to go to accounts folder beneficiary.php. So this is beneficiary.php. Like I said here, it said line 90. I'll go to line 90. So this is line 90 now. I'll put in my details. That's it. And I'll save again. Make sure I'll save this ones too. Okay, so for SMTP, I'll come to account folder df and controller.php. So this is account folder controller.php. So here you put in your site details too, your email details. So I'll go to tools now and go to email accounts. So I've created an email already before. Created an email, so I'll just copy. So I'll just copy this. So if you don't have any email, you just have to create one here. So I'll go back and change the domain name. Okay, that's it. And then the next one is to go to account df mail.sms.php. So I'll come to mail.sms.php here. I'll just change the domain name. Click on save. I'll go to account folder, backend folder, class.admin.php. Account folder, backend folder. There's class.admin.php. You can see now. So we have to scroll down. So you can see it now. Just change the details. I'll just change the details. So for the next one, which is okay, the same folder, class root.php. Root.php. So I'll come there. Go scroll down. Scroll down. So you can see that now. So that's it. So that will be all. Now I can exit all these files. So you can see that'll be all. So what we'll do now is to make sure that our website is working. So I'll make sure my website is working now. So it's loading. So you can see now. So you can see it now that my website is working. So which means my installation was done properly. So if you have any difficulty with installation, you can contact me for support. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.